Here's how to perform your floating tabletop. You want to make sure that your hands are planted on the ground with fingertips facing forward, spread wide apart. Shoulders are directly over the wrist and elbow pits face forward. From here, I want to push away from the ground as much as I can. Push away. So as opposed to letting those scapula relax, I want to push away. If you've ever taken a yoga class, it's very similar to the cat position. So I pushed away. I then want to make sure that my shoulders are out of my ears, so I'm going to shift my weight forward and pull those shoulder blades down towards my butt. From here, I'm going to raise my knees slightly off the ground and squeeze the butt. This is our floating tabletop. Don't lose that shoulder position. Keep pushing through the ground, elbow pits face forward. If this is comfortable for you, squeeze, shift your weight forward. Now, to shift your weight forward, imagine you're pulling yourself forward through those shoulder blades. Push. 3, 2, 1. Shift yourself back. Lower those knees. Relax out of the position. And that is your floating tabletop.